GC America, a leading manufacturer of dental materials, is proud to bring you G-Premio Bond, a one-component universal light-cured adhesive. G-Premio Bond provides significant advantages when compared to other universal adhesives. First, G-Premio Bond is a truly universal adhesive that can be used in direct restorations, indirect restorations, and to treat hypersensitivity. Indications for the G-Premio Bond adhesive include direct bonding of light-cured composites and compomers to the tooth structure, bonding of dual-cured core buildup composites to the tooth structure, provided these materials are light-cured, intraoral repair of composite, metal-based, and zirconia alumina-based restorations, treatment of hypersensitive teeth, and to seal a tooth preparation, either cavity or abutment, for indirect restorations. When used in direct restorations, G-Premio Bond is flexible enough to be usable in all etching modes: self-etch, selective etch, and total etch, achieving reliable shear bond strength with all of them. This feature is important as many opinion leaders recommend using a selective etch technique by etching uncut enamel surfaces prior to bonding to help ensure a reliable and consistent bond. And with G-Premio Bond, this bond strength remains high even after thermal cycling, whether the adhesive is applied directly to dentin or enamel. For indirect restorations, G-Premio Bond provides high bond durability when applied to all materials, including precious metal, non-precious metal, zirconia, composite restorative, enamel, and dentin. The G-Premio Bond adhesive contains a newly added thiophosphate ester monomer that increases the bond strength when applied to precious metal, and a newly added MDP monomer that promotes chemical adhesion of dentin and enamel to zirconia, alumina, and non-precious metals. This graph shows the shear bond strength achieved by G-Premio Bond when applied to various materials, compared to the shear bond strength of other adhesive products. In addition, for hypersensitivity treatment, G-Premio Bond does an excellent job of filling and covering dentinal tubules. Whether you're using it for direct restorations, indirect restorations, or hypersensitivity treatment, G-Premio Bond can be applied very quickly, thereby shortening treatment time. And shorter treatment times make both you and your patients happy. In fact, with just 10 to 20 seconds of light-curing treatment time, you can achieve fast and consistent bonding for nearly all clinical cases in only 25 to 35 seconds in total. All that is required to get excellent results is a simple 4-step technique. First, apply G-Premio Bond adhesive and wait 10 seconds. Next, using max air pressure, dry for 5 seconds. After that, light cure for 10 seconds, and then place the composite resin. Step 1 of this easy 4-step technique, applying the adhesive, is further simplified by G-Premio Bond's new bottle design. GC America has replaced the ball-bearing bottle with a new bottle that features a unique silicone cover. This new bottle design eliminates waste by giving you more precise drop-by-drop dispensing. It also insulates the bonding agent to keep the heat from your fingers from impacting bonding performance. Now you may be wondering, how does G-Premio Bond perform on the more challenging cases? What happens if the application is in a difficult-to-reach location, or if there's something tricky or difficult about the case that requires extra working time? Not to worry. G-Premio Bond gives you more time to work, as it provides good stability for an extended working time of up to 5 minutes. To make G-Premio Bond, GC America made a number of changes to their formulation that created a better bonding agent. For example, the longer working time was achieved by improving the dispersion of silica filler and reducing viscosity. The amount of water was increased to dissolve and remove the smear layer better, and the amount of carboxylic monomer was increased to keep the pH acidic. In addition, more photoinitiator was added in order to make a firm, although thin, bonding layer. In fact, at just 3 microns, G-Premio Bond has one of the lowest measured film thicknesses of any universal adhesive on the market today, making it an excellent choice for use in indirect bonding. G-Premio Bond is available in a bond kit that contains one 5 milliliter bottle, 50 disposable applicators, and 20 trays. You can also purchase it in a package of 50 unit doses or in a 5 milliliter refill bottle. If you're looking for a truly universal, one-component light-cured adhesive that can be used with all bonding techniques, applies more quickly, gives you up to 5 minutes in which to work, provides precise drop-by-drop dispensing, and results in a very strong bond, G-Premio Bond adhesive from GC America is an excellent choice for you.